Anna is a young girl. She has red hair. It is very red, like a carrot. Today is Saturday. She is hungry. She goes to the supermarket. She wants to buy milk, bread, and chocolate. I love chocolate, she thinks. Chocolate is my best friend. The supermarket is big and busy. There are many people. There are many trolleys. Anna takes a small trolley. She goes to the bread section. Suddenly, she sees a little boy. He is about 4 years old. He has big blue eyes and brown hair. He is standing near the bread. He is not happy. He is crying. Anna looks around. Where are his parents? She doesn't see them.
Oh no, I don't like crying children. I don't know what to do.
She comes closer. She smiles. Anna has a nice smile.
Hello, my name is Anna. What's your name?
The boy stops crying. He looks at her red hair. He is not scared. He is very interested.
My name is Tom. Your hair is like a tomato.
Anna is surprised. A tomato? Really? She laughs.
Thank you, Tom. Where is your mom?
Tom looks around. His face is sad again.
I don't know. I want my mom. We wanted to buy cookies. But I see a big fish. And now, no mom.
A big fish. In the supermarket?
Yes. It is in the water. It is gray. It is very big. I love fish.
Anna understands. It is the fish section. Tom is a curious boy. He followed the fish and lost his mom.
Okay, Tom. Don't worry. We can find your mom together.
Are you a policeman?
Anna laughs again.
No, I am not a policeman. I am a tomato girl, remember? Let's go to the big counter. We can ask for help.
Anna takes Tom's hand. They walk to the information desk. A woman in a blue uniform is there. Her name is Mrs. Bell.
Excuse me. This boy is lost.
Mrs. Bell looks at Tom.
Oh dear. What is his name?
Tom,
Mrs. Bell takes a microphone. Anna is very nervous. She hates loud noises. She covers her ears.
Attention, shoppers. We have a lost boy. His name is Tom. He has brown hair and blue eyes. He is with a young lady with red hair, like a tomato. Please come to the information desk if you are Tom's parents.
Anna feels very embarrassed. Everyone is looking at me. And my hair. Tom is not embarrassed. He is happy. He smiles.
That is funny. Tomato, tomato, tomato?
Suddenly, a woman runs to the desk. She is very worried. Her face is red.
Tom. My Tom.
Mommy?
The woman hugs Tom very tightly. She looks at Anna. She is very happy and grateful.
Thank you so much. I was so scared. I looked for him everywhere. You are a hero.
Anna feels very proud. A hero. That's nice.
It's okay. He is a very clever boy.
Thank you again.
The woman and Tom walk away. Tom waves at Anna.
Goodbye, Tomato Girl.
Anna waves back. She smiles. She goes to the chocolate section. She buys milk, bread, and a big bar of chocolate. It is a very good Saturday. She is happy. And her hair is not a tomato. It is beautiful. She thinks so.